Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need the NET SDK and VS Code ready. Once installed, open Terminal and verify .NET version. Next, install the CHash OmniSharp extension inside VS Code so you get project scaffolding and IntelliSense. Create a new folder and run .NET New Console to generate files. This starts the actual work. Make sure your path includes the .NET tool, otherwise VS Code won't detect the SDK. Once done, open the folder in VS Code and confirm the CHash extension activates. Now you set up project details and editing workflow. Run .NET Restore to fetch NuGet packages, then open Program. CS and use IntelliSense to write code rapidly. OmniSharp provides method signatures and refactors. Next, press Run to let VS Code prompt creating launch. JSON and tasks. JSON, accept and tweak for custom args. Make sure the CWD and program paths match your bin output. Once configured, use the Run view to set breakpoints and step through code so you understand runtime behavior. To finish, build using .NET Build and run with .NET Run or the VS Code debugger. Both work and produce the same output. Choose what speeds you up. When debugging, attach or use the integrated session, set breakpoints, and inspect locals. This reveals logic errors versus compilation faults. If things go wrong, restart OmniSharp or reload the window. Make sure you installed the NET SDK that matches OmniSharp settings. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves detection and IntelliSense issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.